how to pick a load from point A to point B on the lower surface. I will show you right now how to do it on the narrow line. Okay, let's go and show you how to pick the load. So, as I said, the few tips. First tip, I just come out from the forklift because I wanted to show you. First tip is that come straight in a straight line, targeting this part here. So you stop your forklift, first tip, before your load. Second tip, you set up your fork parallel. As you can see, make sure your fork are parallel. You don't go and pick your load on the fork when they are tipping this way or up. No, make sure your fork is parallel. That will be easier for you to go in. That's the second thing. The third tip is that make sure when you are positioning your forklift as it is, you need to target this part because this is universal, this part. So make sure this, the middle, this whole part of the fork is over here, is parallel to this. So that you know that you can easily go in when you are lifting. I repeat again, this part of your fork need to be targeting here, the pallet, the middle of the pallet, so that your fork, as you have set it up already, it can easily I'm busy setting up my fork so that it will be easy for me to pick it. So I stopped few centimeters before I set up my fork. Now I can go slowly. As I'm going in, I'm checking my fork. If I realize my fork are about to touch the pallet, I need to reset it down. So I need to be under control. I'm going slowly, and I'm observing my fork. In any point of time, if I see like my fork are touching the pallet, I need to reset it, going slowly. And you need to keep on checking. Right now, I feel like I'm at the limit where I can be able to pick my load. So I lift it slowly. I push the back, the speed for backing. I turn completely and I start going backward. As I'm going, I check my load. I'm checking my load. I look backward, at the same time I'm checking my load. So as soon as I'm confident that I'm free from the main load, I lower my load. The lowest possible from the floor. Then I tilt a bit. Now I can continue backing up. Slowly going to drop my load. I'm turning. I stop, I set up my load, I make sure I'm going slowly. I lift my load. I start going slowly, slowly, by checking, slowly, slowly, slowly. So as soon as I drop my load, I make sure I release my fork before I can put the speed backing, looking at the back, and start going slowly backward to release myself. I'm checking my fork if they are not touching the pallet, and I'm looking backward. Check my fork, look backward, check my fork, looking backward, check my fork, looking backward. My fork are free from my pallet as lower down. Then I continue my journey.
I'm so happy you are learning something from this video, but I need 2 things from you. 1, register to our mailing list down below at the description. Register to our mailing list. Why? It's because when an employer contacts me for a new high-paying job, you will be the first to know about it. 2nd, like and subscribe to my channel. Why? It's because when you do it, YouTube will recommend to more people, and that will help me a lot.